PayPal is free to buyers, and generally the seller pays the fees to use the service. There are nominal fees that are in line with what you'd expect to find at most banks through their credit card and e-check programs. PayPal is superior in that you never have to pay a monthly fee unless you use one of the enhanced business services that they offer. The rates depend upon the volume you're doing and the type of transaction, whether it's domestic or international, and the type of account you've set up with PayPal. The nice thing about PayPal is that you will never have to pay a fee unless you're actually using the service. Let's go ahead over to the PayPal site and we'll take a look at how the fees work. To learn more about fees, scroll to the bottom of any PayPal page and click on the link for fees. For purchases, the seller pays between 1.9% and 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Here's a link that takes you over to a more detailed page that shows you more about the services. There's no monthly fees, there's no setup fees, and there's no gateway fees, so you don't have to pay for an expensive terminal. Now, the lowest fee that's available you can find over here if you click on this link for PayPal for Business. In this section, you can see what the discounts are if you start to increase your volume above $3,000 a month. The lowest discount available is for merchants who sell more than $100,000 a month, and that may be in your future very soon. Cross-border rates are a little bit higher. You can learn more about those by clicking on the link here. A cross-border transaction is defined as receiving payment from someone who's outside the United States. If you'd like to transfer money to a friend or a family member for personal reasons, the personal transfer option will be totally free if that money comes directly from your PayPal balance or a bank account. The cost will be 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction if that comes from a debit or a credit card or is sent to someone who has a PayPal registered address overseas. And at that point, you can decide if you'll pay the fee or the person receiving the money pays it. I find that paying vendors and friends is quick and easy, and I almost always elect to pay the small transfer fee myself. What's a good selling point for PayPal in your business is that it's popular. So many, if not most of your customers are going to have a PayPal account. I can assure you from personal experience that setting up a bank merchant account has a lot of costs associated with it. The machine that you have to buy in order to accept cards can cost many hundreds of dollars, and there are always monthly fees associated with it. You'll never incur any of these fees to set up a PayPal account.